In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet Companion Mode. Companion Mode is designed for those moments when you're sitting in a conference room or a shared space where a meeting is already running on room hardware, like a dedicated Meet device or a big screen. Instead of joining with your laptop's microphone and speakers and risking echo or feedback, you can join in a special way that keeps your audio silent while still giving you all the interactive tools you need, like chat, polls, and hand raise. Here's how to get started. On your computer or tablet, open your web browser and go to g.co/companion. That short link takes you straight to the Companion Mode landing page. You'll be prompted for the meeting code. This is the code from the calendar invite or the one displayed on the room's screen. Type the code exactly as it appears, including any dashes, then continue. When you see the option, select Use Companion Mode. That choice tells Google Meet to mute your device's microphone and speakers automatically, so you can participate without creating audio loops in the room. Once you're in, look for the chat to send messages, share quick notes, or drop links without interrupting the speaker. If the meeting host has created polls, you'll find them in the polls panel, where you can vote and see results as they're shared. Use the hand raise button to signal that you'd like to contribute. The facilitator can then call on you to speak using the room's microphone, ensuring clear audio for everyone. A few helpful tips. Even though Companion Mode disables your mic and speaker inside Meet, it's smart to lower or mute your system volume so notification sounds don't distract the room. Enter the meeting code carefully. Most join issues come down to a small typo. If the meeting hasn't started yet or needs host approval, you may see a waiting screen until you're admitted. And to avoid confusion, don't join the same meeting from the same device in regular mode and companion mode at the same time. If you're leaving the room later and need full audio and video from your personal device, simply exit and rejoin the meeting normally using the standard meeting link instead of the companion link. That's all there is to it. Go to g.co companion, enter the meeting code, and choose Use Companion Mode. You'll get rich participation, chat, polls, and hand raise without the audio feedback, so your meetings stay clear, efficient, and focused.